Hello, and welcome back to the Auto Traction channel. You can see daily videos only on Auto Traction channel. In today's spotlight, we dive into the upgraded 2026 RQ-11. No longer just a hand-launched recon tool, but now transformed into a micro-drone fighter platform designed for tactical swarm warfare, perimeter defense, and precision strike support in contested environments. This isn't the same Raven from a decade ago. This is next-level unmanned innovation. What makes the new RQ-11 special is its modular design. The airframe is lightweight, yet stronger, crafted from nano-carbon composites, giving it more resilience in high-G maneuvers and hostile conditions. It can be deployed manually or autonomously, even launched from moving vehicles or larger airborne platforms. Powering the drone is a hybrid electric propulsion system, extending flight time to nearly 2.5 hours, with an increased ceiling of 25,000 feet, well beyond its previous capabilities. It now features silent running mode, infrared signature suppression, and a new wing design for greater glide efficiency. This 2026 upgrade isn't just about surveillance anymore. The RQ-11 now supports a micro-payload bay for lightweight munitions, electronic jamming pods, and real-time battlefield mapping. It can tag enemy assets, jam communications, or drop mini-precision charges with pinpoint accuracy, making it an effective tool in asymmetrical warfare and urban conflict. The drone's onboard AI allows for true autonomous flight, including terrain, swarm formation, coordination, and threat evasion without human input. Integrated with Next-Gen Secure it shares a live data feed with ground operators and nearby manned aircraft, becoming a critical node in the real-time combat network, thanks to its foldable wings and compact form factor. Multiple RQ-11s can be packed into a single squat backpack or vehicle, ready for rapid deployment. With minimal logistical footprint and low-cost production, it's scalable for large formations that overwhelm enemy radar and saturate defenses. Though it's not a traditional fighter jet, the 2026 RQ-11 defines what the next generation of smart unmanned combat support will look like: casual, intelligent, and expendable. It's rewriting the rules of low-altitude warfare and giving operators a tactical edge wherever mobility and speed are key. Thanks for watching the Auto Traction channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for daily coverage on the world's most advanced vehicles and unmanned tech. See you in the next video.